Hi there, guys. Getting ready for Halloween? Lesson 21 is getting the job done. Speed, work, and measurement units. Student outcomes. I will use rates between measurements to convert measurement into one unit to measurement in another unit of measure. I will manipulate and transform units appropriately when multiplying or dividing quantities. Exercise 1. I believe it's on page, real quick, 227 in your textbook. We're going to identify the ratios that are associated with conversions between feet, inches, and yards. The first one says 12 inches is how many feet? It is 1 foot. And then the ratio of inches to feet then would be 12 to 1. What if we do it in reverse though? 1 foot is how many inches? 12 inches. So therefore the ratio of feet to inches is the reverse, 1 to 12. Well, now we have 3 feet. How many feet go in a yard? Well, 3 feet is 1 yard. So the ratio of feet to yards is 3 to 1. 1 yard is how many feet? Well, we reversed it, so it's 3 feet. And therefore the ratio of yards to feet is also reversed, which is 1 to 3. Exercise 2. We want to know how many feet are in 48 inches. And it says make a ratio table that compares feet and inches. Use the conversion rate of 12 inches per foot, or 1/12 of a foot per inch. So the first thing we did is we labeled our X and our Y, feet and inches. And then we have 1 foot is 12 inches. Well, what if we have 2 feet? How many inches would we have? 24. Go ahead and fill in the rest of this chart. We've done this before. And then we see that 4 feet is 48 inches. But now we're going to take a look and we're going to do it mathematically. So we say 48 inches and we want to change that to feet. So we would write 48 inches and then we leave a little space and we're going to say feet, or 1 foot in this case. We know the connection between feet and inches, so 1 foot is 12 inches. So 12 inches has to go on the bottom. Automatically, our 48 inches is over 1. The thing that we really have to worry about is we have to make sure that inches is going to cancel on top and bottom, because the whole point is we want to get rid of that. We could actually cross cancel the 12 and the 48, but if we didn't know how to do that, we'll just multiply across. And we were going to get 48 times 1 foot over 1 times 12. We then get 48 over 12, which is 4 feet. And the feet is still in the numerator, so it's still in our answer. Exercise 3 says how many grams are in 6 kilograms? Again, make a record of your work before using a calculator. The rate would be 1,000 grams per kilogram, so the unit rate would be 1,000. So we're going to look at, we're changing 6 kilograms to grams. So we first start out with what we know, 6 kilograms. And we're going to move it to grams. So we have to say, what's the connection between grams and kilograms? Well, it told us that we have 1,000 grams per kilogram. So we need to go ahead and fill in 1,000 in front of our word grams. Kilograms is on the bottom. Again, we need to make sure that that's going to cancel. There's our kilograms that crosses out. We multiply across 6 times 1,000 grams. On the denominator, 1 times 1. So we get 6,000 grams. All right, example 1. How many cups are in 5 quarts? As always, make a record of your work before using the calculator. All right, here is our chart, our conversion chart, so we can look at it. And we know we're starting with 5 quarts, and we're changing 5 quarts to cups. So we can look over there, and we know that 1 quart has 4 cups. So we're going to have to use that conversion. Here's our 5 quarts, automatically over 1, times, and we're going to cups. And again, the connection or the conversion was 4 cups is 1 quart. So we fill in 4 cups, and 1 quart is on the bottom. Notice our quarts, again, they're going to cancel out, which is exactly what we want. Multiply straight across. And we get 5 times 4, which is 20. And 1 times 1 is the denominator, so it's just 20 cups. All right, example 2. How many quarts are in 10 cups? Again, we're starting with our 10 cups, and we are this time going to quarts. What is the connection between quarts and cups? 1 quart is 4 cups. And again, we have our cups that are going to cancel out. Multiply straight across. 10 times 1 quart is 10 quarts. And 1 times 4 is 4. We now have 10 over 4, which can reduce to 2.5 quarts. And quarts is all that was left. And that's it. Head back to the classroom.